Hello guys, good morning. It's me Bruce from Hanzhou Elk Bike, and now we are seeing the bells for today. And this is a very special color. It is like it's like a pink. It's something between pink and champagne. Also, it's like it is like gold as well. It's something between the gold and the champagne. So we have a special coating on this brass, on this bell. Of course, this material of this bell is a steel. It's not a copper. So the color we're seeing right now, it is a special treatment, a special coating. So that's what we have. Let's we have this ready stock now. We have up to 500 pieces of them. This is the bulk package. That's it, and these are ready for shipping. All of this, and a special color so we can compare. So this is a black flame. This is a matte black. So we see the details. Now the handlebar is chrome, a silver color. So let's grab a look. And now this is a silver bell. So you see the difference. And one more. This is a chrome bell. And now this is this champagne color bell. So I hope you can take this for reference. They are the same material except the color, except the finish. This will be the same. Let me. Oops. This is the sound it makes. Alright, I hope this explains. If you are interested in this kind of bells too, please let me know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.